You know, there's a lot of persecution going on in India. It's kind of been rising for 10 years, coincides with the rise of President Modi, who's a radical Hindu himself. With that rise of radical Hinduism and the nationalism, a lot of Christians and pastors end up getting attacked. And Pastor S is one example. So Pastor S, pastor at a church, he keeps noticing that 4 men are watching his church, and they look like radical Hindus. And so he's not too worried. He's a little concerned, but he's wondering what's going on. And then one day he gets off the bus, and 2 men drag him. They attack him, and they start dragging him off into the woods, beat him to a pulp to the point where he loses hearing in one ear. And so that's where we jumped in. We helped with the medical bills so that he could get his hearing back, which actually happened. They restored the ear. You see, here's something else about Pastor S and why he was targeted probably. Now, Pastor S is a bold evangelist. And so he had already on his own purchased a small motorcycle, a motorbike, to spread the gospel in his region. We were so encouraged by his boldness and his willingness to suffer for the gospel. We said, we're going to pay off the loan on that motorcycle. We want to help you spread the gospel. We want to come alongside you. So, you know, there's 2 things in persecution ministry that really move me. And one is to the bandaging of the victim. It never ends. There's a river of victims and we can't even get to them all. But the other one is to get the gospel out into the toughest areas, and that's why we got Pastor S's motorcycle paid off. I just want to say thank you for partnering with us and for getting the gospel into the toughest areas in the world. God bless.